Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Everett local and long-distance movers near me. MA movers like 3 Movers have the expertise to navigate Everett's narrow roads and small driveways, ensuring a smooth move for you. With their efficient and professional service, 3 Movers takes care of everything from packing to unloading, making your move to Everett as stress-free as possible. You will require Everett local TM movers to perform the move for local relocation. However, to protect the security of your possessions during long-distance transfers, consider employing Everett Long-Distance 3 Movers. Everett Long-Distance Movers are qualified and experienced to make your move stress-free and secure for your belongings. Their team will work with you to tailor the move to your unique demands, and they provide fair pricing that suits your budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Everett moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.